Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a hosting your domain to your Blogger blog. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We'll begin by accessing your Blogger account, where you'll update your blog settings to include your new custom domain. This allows your blog to be accessed through a personalized domain instead of the default Blogspot address. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the Blogger website. Log in and select the blog you want to modify. From your dashboard, go to the Settings section. This area contains the core configuration options for your blog. Look for the Custom Domain option and click on it. Enter your purchased domain name exactly as it appears. Be careful with spelling and formatting, as even small mistakes can cause connection issues. After entering the domain, click Save. Blogger may display two CNAME records that you'll need to configure in your domain settings. Next, switch to your Hostinger account. Log in and navigate to the Domain section. Open your domain portfolio, select the domain you want to connect, and click Manage. Go to DNS or Name Servers, then choose Manage DNS Records. Here, add the two CNAME records provided by Blogger exactly as shown. Double-check all entries, then save the records. Once saved, allow some time for DNS propagation. After the changes take effect, your custom domain will successfully connect to your Blogger blog.